Mr. QQ.
Check. Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna just build our vibes. So you know what? I know everything has changed and them thing them. I just want something for the girls. Straight for the girls. You see me? So give me the second to last one on the CD.
See them some of ya officer, him ask me to the ear and call me down. When the ear and call me down, you can't lock me up down.
My God. You hear them? Tell the wine is ready. Show them. The wine is ready. Tell the wine is ready. Some brother wants to know. Oh, she just tease me. You know what? I'm not to go too much time on the subject there. Action code. Ding dong. Everybody. Skip tomato. Yeah. For you and you. Hey. Skip tomato. For you and you. Everybody know. What's in the middle of it? Ready? Come. Everybody. Everybody know. When we see them, we skip past them. Don't mind them, we need them. We don't know them, cause I use it and ever we touch in the street. When we come in to the car, think I'm the man that is your hurt. Sometimes never put me on that first. To my who wants to pass the first. Your bad mind, you be your time in a verse. Skip. Pull it on, give us a step.
Alright, thank you so much, QQ. You see you. Hey, big up GQ, the real ghetto classic, you know what I mean? Q to the Q. Bad people time now. Down.